Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about new chapter, visualizing shapes. That is, in this chapter we have learned 1D shapes, 2D shapes, 3D shapes. So, students, you have already learned the different types of shapes. That is, one-dimensional, two-dimensional, and the three-dimensional. So now you have already know the one-dimensional shape. One-dimensional, it means the 1D figure. A figure having only given length, like a line segment. Here we draw a line segment AB. So here you can find only the length between A and B, both 2 points A and B. So you can find only length. So this type of figure is called the one dimensional, and you can easily draw in paper sheet. Now the second is two dimensional. Two dimensional, and that is it is written as 2D figures or 2D shapes. So a figure having given length and the breadth. So that is called the two dimensional shapes. Two dimensional shapes, for example, rectangle. Rectangle, here we draw a rectangle. There is a length and this is a breadth. So the visualizing of the 2D shapes and their representation on a paper sheet is a very convenient, and you can draw easily rectangle in your paper sheet. So now the next is the three-dimensional shape. Three-dimensional, and it can be written as 3D figures or the 3D shapes. So students, a figure having given length, breadth and the height, so that is called a three-dimensional shapes. For example, cuboid. Here we draw a cuboid. So that is a length, that is the breadth, and this is the height. So length, breadth and the height are given. So this type of shapes is called the three-dimensional shapes. So students, however, the tricky part is the visualizing of 3D shapes and their representation on this paper sheet. So now in this chapter we will learn how to visualizing and how to representation on the 3D shapes.